Am I focused? Because I don't think I am. I don't think I am. I don't. Hey. Hello. It's Zena. Back at it again with another video. I'm just saying. I'm back with another video. I'm by myself. I have a haul. I ordered this stuff last Sunday. It said 2-day shipping. Girl, it's been a week. 2 day where? Nowhere. Not here. Where? I don't know if you can hear me, but okay. This just got here and I am super excited to open it. It is $5.39 and the lighting is going down and my camera's about to die, so I got to hurry up and film this video. I got it from work, so if I look like a toe, it's because I look like a toe every day. I'm kidding, I don't, but Fashion Nova. I got these pants. I got everything in a size 11 because I'm a size 12 normally, but I went to a size 11. These on, hunty, they're high-waisted. The only waisted you get, girl. Okay, these are gonna have to be a N to the O for me. Sorry the lighting is bad, it's getting dark outside. They are not high-waisted at all. Like, this is a sports bar, I'm about to go to the gym. But they are not high-waisted. I like my pants to be at least this high. And these are not high at all. Sorry you can't see me. But yeah, they make the butt look good. Oh, my fly is unzipped. The second pair I only got 3 pairs. No, I got 4 pairs. They scammed me. I think they scammed me. I'm not sure. I don't know. I can't remember what all I ordered. She is so extra. Alright, so I got these pants. These are so cute. These are the crop skinny. Oh my god, I just choked on spit. I got crop because their jeans are very long. Hence these. So I got crop thinking that if I get crop, they will fit at a regular length for me because I'm literally like 6 feet tall. I'm kidding. I'm probably like 5 foot, 5'2". I don't know. I'm short. So yeah. Let's try these on and maybe they will fit better than these. Okay, my mama is talking, but these are the second pair of jeans. You guys cannot see them. How they look on. They make the booty look. They make the gluteus. Gluteus, that's how you say it? Oh no. Look good. I like these a lot. They are not. They're still long for me. JK, they're like super short because I'm like 5. I'm like 6'5". But yeah, they're the perfect waistedness. I can move in them. Them black ones, girl, I could barely move in them, but I'm gonna wear them because I spent like a lot of money on them. But yeah, I like these way better than the first pair. I like the cuts. Can't wait to wear these during the spring. It's summertime. Yeah, these are super cute. I can take the tag off because that was hurting. But yeah, I would. Next time I order, I'm going to size up to a 13 because, honey, yeah, I can barely breathe now. Because somebody, I'm not going to say any names, broke my tripod. Burning. Okay, these are the third pair. I got a swimsuit, but I tried that on last. Okay, so these are the, oh yeah, third pair. I'm like, can I count? No, I can't. Okay, I love jeans with holes. These are 11, 12. Good. Hopefully these fit better because I'm usually a size 12. As you can tell, holes are my thing. I'm out of breath for why, I don't know. But these are how they look. They look tiny. Like, look at that waist. Like, can this fit in that? We will see in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For the third jeans, I like them. But honey, when I say your thighs will be busting out, it's like busted wide open, and I tell them bring it back because these are what these thighs are doing. How they look. Get on me. They're long, so I had to cuff them, which I really don't like cuffing my jeans. But I had no choice. And it's weird because none of these jeans are from Fashion Nova. They're all from like third-party brands. But yeah, these are how they look on. I think they're cute. Can't wait for the summertime. I have no balance. Okay, let me do the other pair before I break my neck. Okay, so these are the last pair. I did not know they were butt lifted jeans. Like, what? Hi, Miss Booty. These are not high-waisted at all, even though they said high-waisted, which I am not a fan of. I mean, I'm not. Like, who am I to wear low-waisted jeans? Like, I mean, they don't look bad, but the butt lifting is something serious. Wait, I can't even see it. They have so many unnecessary tags. Like, that's 4 tags for why. Yeah, I'm a fan, and they are short enough because these are the ankles. But yeah, I think these are cute. Okay, so I don't have it on yet. I just have this on, but yeah, it's in a pink color. I got it in a large. Hopefully it fits. So this is the top to it. Hopefully it holds the breastises up. And these are the bottoms. They're cheeky. So I'm gonna, take my clothes off and try them on. I'll be right back. Got a swimsuit boots. It's for when the summertime, of course. But yeah. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It's either right here or right here. Watch it's right here or it's up there. It's like somewhere. I know it's somewhere. But yeah, I hope you guys like. Comment down below what other videos do you like to see from us. My camera's about to die. And if you want to join the SV mob, you know what to do. Boo. Alright. Bye.